So in this video, I will be providing certain examples related to high priority and high severity defects. Similarly, low severity and low priority defects. Let's take first example, high priority and high severity. For a high priority and high severity, the first example is database connectivity fails for a multiple user. Here, whenever we try to log in any application where multiple users are not able to connect to the application because of database connectivity failure, then we will call it as a high priority and high severity. Similarly, another example is whenever we try to click on anything in the application, then it leads to application crashes. Then also we will be logging a defect with high priority and high severity. Next example is high priority and low severity. What are the example here? The logo is not getting displayed properly. It affects the business. Here, because of that, high priority will be given. The low severity will be given because just an image is not getting updated. That's why tester will normally provide as a low severity defect here. The next one is low priority and high severity. The examples are in the login window, a login name, username, you will be given 8 characters normally. If anybody enters a character with 9 characters in the username, then suddenly system gets crashes. Even that is a situation we will be logging as a high severity because it is crashing the application. And the second example is in a given functionality or a module with the 2 interfaces linking between each other, if that is getting broken or not functioning, even that is the situation we will be logging with the high severity and low priority defect. Then the fourth example is low priority and low severity defects. When we log with the low priority and low severity is for a given login window, if there is a OK button is there, if there is spell check in the OK, then that defect will log in as a low priority and low severity. In the similarly, in any numbers, if the decimal points are incorrect, even that is a situation we will be logging as a defect as a low priority and low severity.